IceStation PC enclosures keep computer systems running smoothly in many manufacturing facilities. Protect the computer and monitor with the NEMA 12 ID32 desktop computer enclosure. The ID32 measures 32 inches high by 28 inches wide by 26 inches deep. The NEMA 12 desktop enclosure protects electronics from dust, dirt, and light splashing fluids. Lockable front and rear doors allow easy access and maintain equipment security. The ID32 can be placed on a desk or mounted to a mobile or stationary pedestal. Standard features include a viewing window designed to accommodate up to a 21-inch monitor, an adjustable vented monitor shelf, an integrated lockable roll-out keyboard drawer, and a rear split panel for cable and wire access. Add-on accessories include sliding shelf brackets, an extra shelf kit, a folding mouse pad, a solid front door, a power strip, and a 10-foot power cord. Various thermal management options include a filtered fan system, NEMA 12 heat exchanger, Vortex cooling unit, or air conditioner. The ID32 is available in blue, gray, or any custom color found on the RAL color chart. Still have questions? Contact ITS Enclosures by phone at 1-800-423-9911. Email info@itsenclosures.com, or simply visit itsenclosures.com and click on the Products tab to see all of our IceStation products.